What's up, family? How you guys doing today? Aiden here from Milky Tech, and today we'll be... What's that? Oh no! Today we'll be looking at my first drone, the DJI Mavic Air 2. Let's get this done. My wife being a real estate agent, and if you need her information, it will be in the description below if you're in the Metro Atlanta area. Needed more aerial pictures, and after much research, I concluded that the DJI Mavic Air 2 is the right candidate for us. And as you can see, it takes amazing pictures. My wife and I decided to test it at Stone Mountain, and we met a lot of amazing people, and as you can see, the footage is amazing. So let's go what comes inside the box. We have the drone, comes with a battery, 4 propellers, and 2 extra propellers if they were to break. It comes with a whole bunch of different connectors, whether you use an iPhone or use an old phone with a micro USB or a Type-C port. It comes pre-installed with the iPhone Lightning port, but as I use a Samsung Galaxy, I installed the Type-C. We have our quick starter guide and the remote control, which is playtime. So some of the specs of this drone is the amazing camera. One of the main points why we picked it. It has a 48 megapixel sensor. It is a CMOS sensor, which is a similar sensor to what's in DSLR. So you know you'll get great pictures. It supports 4K, 60 FPS, and it goes up to 8K hyperlapse. You can take HDR, high dynamic range images, videos. You can take a nice panorama. It has a 34-minute battery life, which is a record for DJI. We've probably gotten close to 30 minutes, but okay. The remote control itself can last about 240 minutes. So if you have extra batteries with here, you don't have to charge this, you just keep having fun. An awesome feature about this drone is its obstacle avoidance. It has sensors in the front, the back, and on the bottom. It has OcuSync 2.0. It gives you up to 10 kilometers range, which is about 6.2 miles, of transmitting between the drone and the remote control at 1080p 30 FPS. It works on the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, and it automatically switches between those two bands, so you can always have the strongest connection. It has advanced autopilot system, so you can just tell it to do something and it will just fly by itself, take the pictures by itself, so you can enjoy doing whatever you want to do. The autopilot system has focus track, and you have 3 different modes. You have spotlight, which basically whatever object, it will hook onto it, and it will follow the object whether it's moving or not. It has active track, where it'll basically try to get in your face while you're trying to do some crazy things. It'll follow you all the way through it. And it has POI 3.0, which is great for like buildings, where it just comes around and goes around and takes pictures or video. So it records everything in HEVC H.265, which is a compression mode where when it's recording a video, it uses the less amount of space with the most amount of quality. So let's hook it up. On the remote control, it has a storage for the joysticks, and it's at the bottom. So you screw them on. It comes with extra joysticks, so if you were to lose some, make sure you always keep the extras with you in your box. The wire is over here. It's stored underneath the the antenna, which also acts as the clamp to hold your phone in here. Get out. This here. Plug it in. And now you have your remote control. To turn it on, you press the power button and then press and hold, and it beeps. To turn on the drone, you press it once and press and hold, and you see it start twitching, and you can hear it turning on. Alright, we have a whole bunch of features here we can take. We can take a 48 megapixel, we can take a smart picture, we can do a burst, you can do a time shot. In the video mode, you can take 4K, all the way up to 60 FPS. We can do 2.7K or 1080p. You can do HDR photos in 4K at 30, 2.7K and 1080p. You can do slow motion, 1080p, all the way up to 240 FPS. Alright guys, this was a short intro to the DJI Mavic Air 2. We really like this drone. Make sure when you're first testing it out that you're in a nice open space so you have the least amount of obstacles. Thanks all for who participated in making this video extra special. Shout out to you guys. If you guys have any comments, suggestions, put it in the comment section below. Make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.